All right, so one of the things I want to do is really just answer the question about what's going on in the market. And right now, it's a really bad situation. I know everyone's thinking this is just a pullback, and that may be the case, but let me show you some facts. And this is according to Real Wyckoff, not the shit that's online. All right, so this is how you judge, especially when it comes to trend. Right? You're gonna notice that I have numbers here. It's price and volume. That's it. Now, if you take a look at this move here, the 10K and 387, I'll circle it. The 10K and 387, from a price and a volume perspective, this move here is bigger than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 waves. This move here has more price and volume. Basically, this is just supply. Down wave is supply, up wave is demand. All right, just keep it simple. That's what it is. There's more supply here confirmed with price and volume than the prior 7 waves. Okay, so keep that in mind about what I'm going to show you next. About here, you have 7,000 on both of them, 7K and 94K. So this up wave is expression of demand. So I showed the supply is greater than the last 7 waves. Now let's evaluate demand. Demand is smaller than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think about 9 waves or 10 waves. About 9 or 10 waves. All right. So because from a price and volume, 7 is obviously less than 10, 10, 8, or whatever, 14, 12, 13. So you have the biggest supply in 7 waves, the smallest demand in about 10 waves, or 9 or whatever. Biggest supply in 8 waves, smallest demand in about 9 waves. What does that mean? If you have the biggest supply and the smallest demand in over 8 waves, that's a turning point. That's a turn where supply is in control from the angle of price and volume and can initiate downtrend. Big supply, smallest demand. Biggest supply plus smallest demand equals direction to the downside. This is what Wyckoff was trying to teach in its simplest form. Here is a really bad situation. I don't think folks realize. Now, how is this going to play out? Will there be an upthrust and then a break, or will it just break down? This is what needs to be examined. And that's one. Second is how low will it go? You see, all of this has been tested. It's all been tested. That's not a good sign. If it's all been tested, I don't know. You know, that's a really bad sign. Now, I hope I'm wrong for the longs, really. But if this thing didn't again give me this, where you have 7,000 again on the attempt and even less volume, 86 instead of 94, it is giving clear evidence that there's a really big chance of a crack to the downside. I hope I'm wrong, and I hope it just pulls back and then demand comes in and makes a new high. But as it stands right now, there is no shadow of a doubt, in my opinion, that supply is in control and can initiate a downtrend from the aspect of reading supply and demand. That's all, folks. Take care. Bye.